Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brian at Two Indians. How's it going? Hope you guys are doing great. Hey, thanks for watching our Challenger vlog number 1. This is our Indian Motorcycle Challenger vlog number 2. And in today's episode, we are going to finally get to some upgrades. Now, if you watched the first episode, which I'll put a link to right up here, you'll notice that I kind of got in a little bit of trouble with my wife for not doing some upgrades to her CanAm Spider RT Limited, which is a Sea to Sky edition. And, you know, I bought her a sway bar and we got some lights from XK Glow. And I've been wanting to put them on, but to be honest, we actually tried one time. We put it up on a lift and it just wasn't high enough, and Barbara got a little sketched out by it. But the other day, I was feeling so bad about it after I posted that video that I decided on the way home, I got an idea. I'm going to pick up some ramps. So I went to Tractor Supply, got some ramps, came home. I actually got to put the sway bar on the CanAm, and you know, it was actually pretty easy.
Son of a bitch.
Okay, well, maybe everything didn't go exactly perfect, but we did get them on, and she got to go take a ride around the block. It was late at night, and man, I tell you what, I tried it out too. If you've got a Spider RT, I think they make them for the other models too, but the Baja Ron Sway Bar is amazing. Man, I tell you what, the bike doesn't pitch as much as it used to. Well, I'm not going to get into that because we've got another video coming out for that too, for all of our Can-Am watchers. Anyway, now that I did a little bit of work there, I didn't feel too guilty putting some parts on the Challenger. So last night I was able to do a couple things in the garage. Number one, I wanted to get rid of that silly whip antenna that is just so tall. It always seems to get in the way when I'm leaning over to put stuff in the bags. It almost like pokes me in the eye. It's really high. It's like almost chest high. And so I wanted to get a shorter antenna for that, and I did. I found one from Klockwerks at the dealership at Sky Power Sports. All I had to do was unscrew the stock antenna. Now that has a male end on it, and the base is a female end, but the upgraded antenna by Klockwerks has a female end also, so you have to get that little adapter from Klockwerks also. I'll put a list of the parts down below so you can get everything that you need from the Amazon page. So I also got the, hey, you know what? I'm looking at a monitor here. Here, let me show you what it looks like. Looking at the monitor, you know what? I need to do something about that. Hold that thought. You know, one of our followers is a guy named Eric Spots. He's got a YouTube channel called Eric Spots Biker Philosopher. For Christmas last year, what did I do with that? Oh, yeah, this is an old picture hanging trick. Not that impressive yet, is it? Ta-da! I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, man, that looks awesome. Thanks, Eric. You know, I had this hanging up in my other studio, but since Barbara kicked me out of that room and put me into the dining room, I haven't put it back up on the wall, but looks awesome. I'm looking at it right over here. That looks really cool. Thanks again, Eric. By the way, I'm not sure where he got that. I think he got it on Etsy or something like that. So if I can get the information from him as to where that is from, I'll put it in the description down below. So anyway, like I was saying, I got my highway pegs put on last night. They are from Klockwerks, and they are the dually ISO pegs. They call them dualies because it's a larger peg. It gives you more space for your foot to rest on. I also like these because they're infinitely adjustable. You've got the offset, which allows you to face it in, out. I don't have long legs, so you know, I know some guys have their legs way spread apart. And I can't do that. So I kind of adjusted them a little bit in the garage. I even put on my riding boots to test them out. And just today I went out and rode the neighborhood and got them all fixed up the way I like it. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you. And I think I mentioned this in the title of the video. We are giving away a Klockwerks 8-inch flare windshield in a medium tint for an Indian Challenger. And if you want to win that, stay tuned. I'm going to give you all the details in just a minute. But as most of you guys know, I am a big fan of Freedom Shields, and I've already installed the Freedom Shield. I think it's an 11-inch medium tint shield. It's got the laser engraved logo on there, which I wanted. I ordered all this stuff the minute I ordered the Challenger. Now, kind of funny story, roll back about a month to the Nashville IMRG event where I met Brian Klock from Klockwerks, and we got to shake hands, introduce ourselves to each other. After I got back from that event, I went to the Klockwerks page and kind of went through all the stuff that they have, and I found out that they have a Dynamat kit for the Challenger, which is a product that you put on the inside of the fairing to kind of stiffen it up so it doesn't rattle and make a bunch of noise from the speakers. And since I'm putting in the power band speakers, I figured it'd be a good idea to order that. So I reached out to them and I said, hey, I want to get this. And when they sent the Dynamat kit, they also sent me a flared windshield. And, you know, kind of, I want to be fair to them and everything, so I called them up and I said, hey, man, I really appreciate you guys sending this to me, but I've already ordered the Freedom Shields with the logo on it, and, you know, I want to say thanks for sending this, but, you know, you guys want me to send it back, or, you know, what do you want me to do with this? And they're like, yeah, man, you know, try it, do whatever you want, give it away, you know, it doesn't matter. And so I thought, that's a great idea. Why don't I just give it away? So here's what you got to do. All you got to do is go to the getclocked.com website and check out their stuff. Just promise me this is kind of like an honor thing. You're going to just go there and look at their windshields, check them out. They've got 2 different sizes. You can get it in a light gray or medium or dark tint. And then go to our page, ridewith2indians.com, and just scroll down to about the middle of the page and you'll see a contact button. Click on that. Fill out the form, which gives your name and email address, and there's a little comment section. Say, hey, I want to register to win the windshield. So do that, then go to our page, fill out that form, and then on January 16th, we are gonna draw a winner, and we will send an email to that winner. We'll also probably do a video too, maybe how we're doing the drawing and everything, so everybody knows it's on the up and up. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool. I think it's real. I think it's a $225 value, something like that. So it's a win-win for everybody. You guys get introduced to our page if you haven't been here before, because we're doing a little bit of promotion. And if you haven't checked out Klockwerks at getclocked.com, brief introduction to them. So, and somebody gets a free windshield. Our next video, vlog number 3, is going to be me changing out the handlebars to a set of KST Comanche bars, and I'm also going to be putting on the Select or Pinnacle grips and Pinnacle mirrors. The grips and the mirrors, piece of cake. Handlebars, haven't done that yet on a Challenger, so kind of excited about doing that, and a little bit of tentative, but yeah. It's nuts and bolts, kids. It's not that hard. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. 2 Indians. I'm out.